Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Simple company. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. This is their 10-pack of Coaxial F-type 75 ohm terminators. I'm going to describe what these are for, and this is going to be a dual review. I'm also going to show you what I have on my Comcast internet cable and TV cable. It's a PPC Evolution 9-way digital coaxial splitter. It's the EV01-9-U/U. And the reason why I'm showing both of those in one review is because they're tied in together, and this is an important component of having that installed properly. So, we all know what splitters are. The cable company installs them. Do they install them correctly? Most of the time. Do they use this product? Most of the time they don't, because they're in a hurry and they don't think you're going to notice a difference. Well, there is a difference I'm going to explain. So what is this product? Let's take a closer look at it. This is called the Terminator, Terminator 75 ohm. Now you notice it looks like a coaxial cable connection, because it really is. But instead of it going off to a cable, like you'd expect, it goes nowhere. It looks like it's going nowhere. But inside that little dimple right there, there is a component in there. It's called a resistor. Now, it's 75 ohms. Now, you don't need to know what that really means, but your television set is 75 ohms when you hook the cable up to it. So I have a little simple ohm meter right here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go across this terminal just like that, and you see how it goes to 75 ohms. So if you were to measure your television, the cable input is going to be the same thing. So why is this important, and why should this be on your unused outputs of your whatever's going to rooms that aren't used, or whatever's on your splitter not being used? So I'm going to give a little description right here, a little drawing that I did. I had a teacher back in college show this, and it was very interesting. So as a basic example, if you have, you're standing and you flip a rope and you make a wave, and on the end of that rope you have a ring attached. When that wave gets to the end, that ring is going to go up and down. That's when the energy is absorbed. That's when you're putting the 75 ohm terminator on there. So that's the good thing. Now, when you don't have one of those on there, and you do the same experiment, and you have that attached to the pole, as opposed to it going up and down, that wave's going to go there, and it's going to come back 180 degrees out of phase, as it's going to hit you right in your hands. Now, obviously, that's no big deal. You're playing with ropes and stuff, but from a point of view of electronics, when you don't have a load there, the energy is not absorbed into the load. It comes right back to the source. And the source in this case is your Comcast, or your whatever company you're using is the signal. So what that does is that it lowers the quality of your overall signal, causes losses in heat and other things. So you want that load to be absorbed, and that's what this does. It allows that energy to be absorbed into those unused outputs. Now we're going to show how this is connected. So there's my PPC EV01-9, and you can see everything's hooked up, working. I've got my input from the outside cable right there. This is grounded at the source from Comcast on the outside. You could use this for your modem. This is the power line right there. This is where my modem's connected. Now you can see I've used several of the outputs, but you can see that this output right here, this output, and these three are not connected. So it's really simple what you want to do. You want to take the terminator, and then you turn it clockwise, just like that. Now I have a little wrench that I use, which is matching these connectors, and then you want to just slightly tighten that, and then go ahead and do that for all your unused inputs. If you have some that are going to different rooms in your house, put these terminators on those output connections on those rooms, and then you're all set. It's that simple. So this PPC EVO01 has really worked really well. It is not amplifying, but it's keeping the output of all of these at 0 decibels. And what that means is that instead of it being the input coming in and this divided by 8, it's not. Each one of these are equal. So I really like this product. It's really worked well in my situation with my Comcast input. You can buy these on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description. And if you want to have a good system in your home that works really well, I'd recommend that. So what's my overall opinion about this simple company, the Coaxial F-Type 75 ohm terminators, a 10-pack. This is a good value. They're not expensive, and I stress the importance of using something like this on all of your splitters on the outputs that aren't used, or connections in your home where you have your cable that aren't used. And I showed how this is hooked up on a PPC Evolution, their 9-way digital coaxial splitter. So I'm going to give that splitter a full 5-star rating because it really worked well in my home, and Comcast installed it. And I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating also, so that I terminate the product properly. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.